Calamus root, also known as Acorus calamus, has been used in traditional medicine systems across the world for various health benefits. Here are some of the notable potential health benefits of calamus root. Digestive health. Calamus root is often used to improve digestion and alleviate problems like gas, bloating, and stomach cramps. It is thought to stimulate the production of digestive juices and bile, helping in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Neuroprotective effects. Some studies suggest that calamus root may have neuroprotective properties, potentially helping in the treatment of disorders like epilepsy and reducing the severity of seizures. Anti-inflammatory properties. The root has been traditionally used to reduce inflammation, making it potentially beneficial for treating conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Antimicrobial activity. Calamus root has shown antimicrobial properties against various pathogens, making it a candidate for treating infections. Memory enhancement. There is some evidence to suggest that calamus can improve memory and cognitive functions, potentially helpful in aging populations or those with cognitive impairments. Circulatory health. Calamus is sometimes used to improve circulation, which can be beneficial for overall cardiovascular health and healing. Stress and anxiety relief. Calamus root is believed to have a calming effect on the mind, and it is used in aromatherapy and herbal medicine to reduce stress and anxiety. Oral health. Due to its antimicrobial properties, calamus root can be used in the treatment of oral infections and to maintain overall oral hygiene. Calamus root, while beneficial for certain health conditions, can also have some side effects, particularly if used inappropriately or in excessive amounts. Here are some of the potential side effects associated with calamus root. Toxicity. Some species of calamus contain bile, which is considered potentially carcinogenic and neurotoxic. Prolonged use or high doses of calamus containing this compound can be harmful. Gastrointestinal distress. Overuse of calamus root can lead to gastrointestinal issues such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Skin irritation. Topical use of calamus root can cause skin irritation or allergic reactions in some individuals. Oral irritation. Chewing calamus root directly can lead to oral irritation or ulceration in sensitive individuals. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Calamus root is generally advised against during pregnancy and breastfeeding due to potential risks and lack of safety information. Interactions with medication. Calamus root may interact with certain medications, particularly those metabolized by the liver, as it might affect the enzyme systems involved in drug metabolism. Central nervous system effects. High doses of calamus root, especially from varieties containing bile, might cause hallucinations, seizures, and other neurotoxic effects. However, just like the medicine prescribed by your doctor, not all calamus root varieties react the same. Some varieties may have probable side effects. Be sure to use credible product sources to get the right variety for your health use.